When it comes to military operations, having the right gear and equipment can make the difference between success and failure. From advanced communication systems to cutting-edge weapons, tactical military gear and gadgets have come a long way in recent years. And here's our video on 10 incredible military tactical gear and gadgets. With Armor Terminator is a tactical karambit knife designed for military and survival situations. The knife has an overall length of 8.5 inches and features a razor-sharp recurve blade and single-blade edge. The blade is made of 440C stainless steel, a highly durable and corrosion-resistant material commonly used in knives and other cutting tools. The handle of the With Armor Terminator is made of textured G10, while its larger finger coil ensures solid hand placement. And the recurve blade design is excellent for slicing and other cutting tasks. Finally, this knife comes with a durable Kydex sheath, which is very convenient for belt carry or lashing to a backpack. Sienski P25 is a pocket-sized tactical flashlight that is designed for military and tactical uses. It has a maximum brightness of 3000 lumens thanks to a Cree XHP 70.2 LED chip, which isn't only bright but consistent as well. Sienski P25 is powered by a 5000 mAh rechargeable 21700 battery, which provides a long-lasting runtime of up to 150 hours. The flashlight also has a strobe mode, which can be used for signaling or disorienting attackers. In addition, this tactical flashlight comes with an IP68 waterproof rating, which means that it is protected against dust, dirt, and can be submerged in the water pretty easily. Lastly, the flashlight is also made of durable aircraft-grade aluminum with a hard anodized finish, making it shockproof and impact-resistant. Osman Ear M20 is a revolutionary piece of tactical gear, specifically designed to protect the hearing of soldiers, law enforcement officers, and other professionals operating in high-noise environments. The headset features an advanced digital circuit that provides intuitive one-button operation, making it easy to use even in high-stress situations. In addition, the M20 has two sound effects, indoor and outdoor, to adapt to different environments, providing the best sound quality for each case. It also has a variable gunshot suppression feature, automatically reducing loud and harmful gunfire noises. This advanced communication headset offers unparalleled protection against harmful noise while providing crystal clear audio, making it the perfect choice for anyone who needs to communicate effectively and safely in loud environments. Gatorz Delta is a high-performance tactical eyewear that is designed to provide superior protection, comfort, and style. Made from mil-spec ballistic standard material and featuring advanced technology, this eyewear is built to withstand the toughest conditions and provide maximum protection for your eyes. In addition, the eyewear is equipped with an anti-fog coating, allowing you to use it in humid or wet environments without any visibility issues. But that's only a part of it, as the Gatorz Delta features high-contrast lenses that provide superior clarity and color contrast, making it perfect for use in various lighting conditions, especially low-light environments. Finally, its lenses have a scratch-resistant coating, ensuring they remain clear and usable for a long time. Whether you are on the battlefield or engaging in rigorous outdoor activities, the VIKTOS Wartorn gloves are the ultimate tool for hand protection. These gloves are constructed with a padded polyester mesh chassis which provides a comfortable and breathable fit. And not to mention the combative leather thumb and palm reinforcements, which provide extra durability and protection for high-impact areas of the hands. Furthermore, these gloves have the touchscreen-compatible trigger finger and thumb, allowing the soldiers to operate smartphones, tablets, and other electronic devices without having to remove the gloves. In addition, the adjustable wrench cinch closure ensures a secure and comfortable fit, and the gloves are also compatible with Moral Alphabet knuckle pads, which provide additional protection and customization options. Finally, the VIKTOS Wartorn gloves are US veteran designed and developed, meaning they are tested and battle-proven by the veterans themselves, providing the best quality and durability for the user. The Magnum Elite Spider X is a competent pair of tactical boots that are built for military and law enforcement professionals. These boots feature a durable leather upper with hard-wearing breathable fabric that provides maximum comfort and protection. At the same time, their fast-wicking lining helps to manage moisture, keeping those feet dry and comfortable. These boots are equipped with rust-proof and anti-glare hardware, making them resistant to wear and tear and reducing the risk of glare that could compromise the user's position. Furthermore, compression-molded recoil midsole absorbs impact and provides all-day support and comfort. The Vibram rubber outsole provides durability and outstanding traction, which is essential for a tactical boot. Looking for a pair of tactical pants for the next operation? Look no further than these Pentagon Tactical Ypero pants. Made from a durable ripstop fabric that is 65% polyester and 35% cotton, these pants are resistant to tearing and ripping. Furthermore, these pants are equipped with YKK main zippers, internal fly button, prime snap button, and triple stitch stress points, which provide added durability and protection. The pants also feature a fillet pocket patch, a groin utility pocket, and reinforced knee and seat patches, which provide added functionality and safety. Finally, having elastic bands on the ankles, these pants offer a snug fit and prevent dirt and debris from entering the pant legs. Next up, this Rothco waist pack is a versatile and practical piece of tactical gear to carry all the tactical gear items. It is made from 100% polyester, making it lightweight, durable, and resistant to wear and tear. In addition, the waist pack is versatile and discreet and can be worn around the waist or around the chest depending on the user's preference. Featuring a hidden back zippered concealed carry compartment, this pack allows you to discreetly carry a handgun or other small items. The top zipper compartment provides additional storage space for things you want to keep secure. Additionally, the waist pack has 3 multifunctional outer pouches, perfect for carrying items you want to easily access. Leatherman Tread is a multi-tool that is designed to be worn on the wrist, making it easily accessible and convenient to use. This innovative tool is made from high-quality stainless steel and features a variety of useful tools that are perfect for a wide range of applications. This one comprises individual links that can be customized to the user's needs. In addition, it features a variety of tools such as screwdrivers, box wrenches, hex drives, cutting hooks, and bottle opener, which can be used for various tasks. It also includes a ruler, a SIM card tool, a square drive, and many more. The tool is durable, corrosion resistant, and easy to maintain. It can be easily adjusted to fit any wrist size, and the links can be easily added or removed to suit the user's needs. Finally, the Helinox Speed Stool M is a lightweight and portable stool designed to provide comfort and convenience while on the go. To provide comfort and convenience in the field, this one is made from high-quality materials to withstand rugged conditions. The stool is constructed with a lightweight and durable DAC aluminum frame and a high-strength fabric seat. It is straightforward to set up and can be assembled in seconds. Lastly, with such features and easy operation, this one provides comfort and convenience in the field. It is perfect for tactical operations where mobility and portability are crucial. So that was our list of 10 incredible military tactical gear and gadgets. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section, and please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, mailoutdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.